Hello everyone, welcome to Gazelle Creative Studio. My name is Uriel and I have an awesome DIY for you guys today. This month I am part of the Talented Creators collaboration. As hosts, we have DIY with Aurea and Lolly D's Creations. As guest hosts, we have Eros DIY. The links to their channels and the playlist will be listed in the description box. For this DIY, we will need two mirrors like this. This came from Dollar Tree. A wooden plank, a few small screws, and about 25 paint sticks. I will cut them about 10 inches long, and a rail post. As you can see, I have cut the paint sticks to size. Next, I will follow a process where I will drill the picture frame and a paint stick, then insert a screw, and lastly, add some glue. So drill, screw, and glue. Again, I will follow the same process: drill, screw, glue, going all the way around the picture frames. I'm placing the paint sticks with the printing on the outside because I won't be painting the inside, so it will look nice and clean. Some spaces will be narrower, so I will have to cut some paint sticks to size to close the gaps. Dollar Tree sells the exact same mirrors but a little smaller, so a smaller mailbox is an option as well. Here are two wooden pieces I cut in my garage. The larger one is for the back of the mailbox and the smaller one is for the door. Next, I will drill some holes in this wooden piece to attach it to the back with some screws. It is time to attach the door. For this, I will drill some holes and attach some hinges using glue and some screws. I am creating pressure with this piece of paper so the door doesn't fall inside. Next, using tacky glue, I will attach the wooden knob to the door and let it dry for a few hours. To create the mailbox base, I have pre-drilled the wooden plank right in the center, as you can see here. Now I will attach the plank and the rail post using glue and a long screw. Next, I will attach the mailbox to the stand and spray paint it black outside. This is going to be a substantial piece, about 4 feet tall. It is time to embellish the mailbox, so I have decided to add on top of it a nest and 2 birds with some greenery. I'm just using what I have on hand. Here is the final reveal. What do you think of this Christmas mailbox DIY? I would like to hear from you. Believe it or not, it is almost the same size as one of those metal mailboxes. Thank you for watching, see you on the next one and happy holidays!